Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to install and run N8N, the famous AI automation tool on your computer for free. So watch the video and have fun. Let's go on the google.com and on Google just type N8N GitHub. And then press enter and click on the first link, which would be similar to this one. And the GitHub page will appear. On the GitHub website, just scroll down. And here there will be a quick start guide. Just copy the npx n8n and go on into your git bash and just paste on your git bash the npx n8n and press enter. It will take some time to load, but after completing the whole everything, it will show you that now you can open the n8n on your browser just by pressing O. Just press the O button, or you can also go on the local host as you see on the GitHub page. And here it is, the N8N on your computer without paying any money. It's for free. You can click on it and you will have all the functionality you could have, right? You will have all the nodes, you will have all the features that you have, and it's completely for free. So subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more about the N8N, because I'll be posting more videos on N8N and how we can do AI automations to do our daily task easily. Thanks for watching. Enjoy and have fun.